Okay, basically we have a pendulum, which is the tilt table, and the orbiting weight is another pendulum, basically, that's mounted at 90 degrees to the tilt table. As the tilt table rocks back and forth, the orbital weight will rotate in a continuous 360. Oop, there it goes. If you get the timing right. There we go. So once the system is balanced with counterweights, it's very easy to tilt back and forth. I have to put a limit on the tilt table swing so that it doesn't travel too far. When it does, it ends up fighting itself, and you have more distance to travel when you're tilting the table. So basically, it's I think it's the same operating principle as the track and field. What is it, hammerThrow8? Yeah, those guys get some awesome velocity, amazing distance throwing a weight. So we'll continue to work on this. Oh, the updates have been, we've added supersized solenoids, and if we limit the travel to, I don't know, an inch or an inch and a half, it should work pretty well. The one problem I may encounter is the winding on the coil was fine. A really, a small diameter wire. I tried something different, but then it turned out to be wrong. So heavier wire on the coils, like a starter motor, you get a lot of torque or a lot of push, and for the amount of, you gotta pass a lot of current through the coil to get it to to get a decent output at the solenoid. And down here are the 3-inch neodymium magnets on each side. I still have to connect the bottom of the power solenoid, and then we'll have it trigger at the right time from a cam switch up here on the rotating shaft. Oh, and then gear train and permanent magnet alternator. Gear train and permanent magnet alternator. So if it doesn't work, basically any system that you draw energy out of, you're going to have to put energy back into. And so if there's a problem with driving it with the solenoids, because it is a pendulum, we can fabricate a big grandfather clock mechanism with the falling weights, and then when it's runs out of juice, just reset the falling weights, and we'll be able to continue generating electricity. So more to come in the future. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody enjoys this fine day. Have to get it balanced up. I think we need more weight on the bottom of the tilt table. And there we go. But the key to success is limiting the travel of the tilt to a small amount. Yeah, there we go. And if you trigger it at the right time, the closer the rotating weight gets to the center of the tilt table, the easier it is to tilt the table. Yeah. So this is just manual operation with one hand. So when it was driven by the motor, the windshield wiper motor mechanism, we were generating 80 volts, and I never took a current reading, but we'll do that this time, and and we'll complete this project. So it'll either be powered by electricity from the power solenoids or by falling weights from a grandfather clock configuration. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Enjoy this fine day. Cheers.